Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical keto step by step. Start by consulting your clinician to set safe targets and rule out contraindications, then determine your personalized carbohydrate limit, protein target, and calorie needs. Use a consistent tracking method for meals and ketone readings, and plan scheduled follow-up so adjustments happen safely. Prioritize hydration, electrolytes, and medication review to prevent complications and improve outcomes. Begin by having your clinician confirm macro ranges tailored to your condition and goals. Use a simple calculator to set grams for carbs and protein, then convert remaining calories to fats so energy needs are met. Track portions and weigh foods for accuracy, and prioritize whole foods with adequate electrolytes. Reassess frequently with objective ketone measurements and symptom checks, adjusting macros gradually to maintain stability and safety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort, especially during long clinic shifts or walks while fasting. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Establish a monitoring routine with your healthcare team that includes regular blood ketone checks and glucose monitoring for safety. Schedule periodic labs to assess electrolytes, renal function, and metabolic markers so you can catch issues early. Keep a daily log of symptoms, energy, and appetite to inform small incremental changes to macros or electrolytes. Communicate any concerning signs immediately, and remember adjustments should be conservative and evidence-driven for best results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.